didn't kind. That's baby say it was after all. As that can say from my sister. She said, "Mama, your bar." It's very many years on the show. I'm from your bar. Some bits we need to run a mom. Mama, your bar. 7 minutes time when we be friend.
I'm sure. Na the course we na some yare depend. Was in Naminyari.
What?
Yeah. Naminyari. Nana, the reason who well love. Obobo was it now. Of course, you are the one. Because not me so one na her. And how don't say. Say Oba can I love you whatever no. Not any good. Say Oyo do kan kasampa. That's true. Yeah, sorry. We see can do what use it in this way. Because I'm person
like it's like I'm dreaming. No, I'm speechless. What's it? I don't know what to say. Say all this while you being fake. Here's car. Need the coin.
I'm joking.
It was just a test.
Yeah.
They said the only man in many because now me pet or bar or bit my summer brand. And Mintina, yes, I plan in thank you so I say, I'm pounds here so shame. Why am sensible?
But you guys shouldn't have gone that far. Okay, let me ask you. What if, say, testing and come failure? Even though I truly love him, but maybe at that time, no, that is I wasn't having money and maybe you should have like conclude. They say, oh, me and now how?
Sabe, say Obia, Odobe, my only because how be see a canna. Come to him, Baba. And I say, I'll push my mom. No, this girl. Also, Scout requested. I think say, "Yeah, no plan to buy." And
but for soon, ya kakra.
You need to say, "When you are born life, like my father told me to
Normal. 7 my head as well. Come.
More power.
Jawasem.
Hey,
Na me matima fo me akofie on wo za wo ye fucking boy ni atweme so sekan because of wunti.
na like
Ene ye nu na ekwe na eba na akwaboa na gas you na akwaboa na gas you na menya na mpomo ena akoye maye na akoye na omunye interested ena hwahwani na hwahwani se wo na wo yetakra wo jim ohunte bi akiri wo obi ehu a yankopon wo hu fucking boy you know nam nyina na project na research na hwahwan ni ekue ho ni e nante na me bie kiss ni ade do ma wo se
wo ka ko say
ja wase me free na ko kran fa laptop nsi mo bi o ka se me ne bibi ma obi oh you fucking boy too much. Stand any boy here.
Let me ask you a question. What are we? Me and this. What are we to me?
you are troublesome to me. You guys are very troublesome.
We will be
But
troublesome.
the way Moy and cry are shocked.
Guy.
You guys are my parties. So I don't know some from what you go di bone.
Inti gas no mpel
Me
man.
go me ya mamo. Me ya de na mama mo
Let
say bia.
me ask this guy first.
Question.
The other day we meet you. We ask you about these girls. What do you tell?
I make her dey. Then
At the verse. You
Only man
know,
dey make time.
you know say they laugh. They laugh. They look you at the verse. Because you know say those girls. No, and they talk those girls. that girl, that one with Kenya, she knows I like that girl. Why you betrayed me?
Go and take it there. She's
Guys,
there.
she say make I go and take it where you say you don't take all. The worst part is you say you no take one. If you say you take one, no problem. I'll manage the other one. You know say that one they disturb. I'll manage that one. No problem. You collect the two of them. Waiting they worry you. Guy, wait till you do you now.
You see,
Guy, shut up. Wait, I talk at the first. Guy, wait till you do you.
You don't do anything to me.
Okay, I not do anything to you. Guy, why you go betray us?
I'll not betray you.
You know say I go there. I go their house.
You are God digger.
I go their house now, go see the girl. You know what this girl tell me?
Charlie.
I'm sorry I don't tell you. Wait, you know what this girl
So
do
you
me?
take my back.
My brother, don't.
You know what this girl do me?
My brother.
This girl tell me saying I dey in love with you. That thing they press me. Later him pursue me. Say make I go outside. He hold me.
Oga, the same thing happened to me. I also go there.
You go there, no tell me.
I go there, I didn't tell you.
Why
So, you go, you didn't tell me. You didn't tell me, and you go me to the same thing. So
I don't say you no be better person.
You no be better person.
This one no be. Now this guy be my problem.
You know what happened to you?
You are kana.
Okay,
you are kana because the way I mean come home. Me ya de na mamu na mo ase mo hu ni se menye.
I feel like speaking Igbo to you. Guy, you should get more.
You should get more too.
Me and this guy go fight too.
You go fight too. You are not. Oh yeah. You mama see how say because you go fight.
I love this girl. Let me tell you the truth. I love this girl. The nyash they give me joy.
Masa,
after everything what I do for this, what I tell this guy, see, I love this girl, do this thing for me. He later go back.
I'll try my best to.
But woman, no way.
Make that best kill you. That best go kill you. You see that best where you did try.
I'll try my
best to kill you.
I'll try to save you.
God they watch you. Wait till you do me. Now God they watch you.
Waka dia. Me ba mo ho. Abeja den chire dia ayi. Mu bofu because of oba. Na mo ma jimsa. Ya me kwa na me sa me.
And that can create me. Number of women who you are saying, from the name is sister, little Naya, a lot are happening. And it being said, if you can crab and your eyes and the end to tower, women you tell me. And me say, the bit man can say, choke on the easy can
So you took the money. Uncle, you see what I was talking? Because I'm always the bad one. More fashion me say me and now she's here telling you guys that she took the money.
There's a reason why I took the money.
Waba catch them. Say, will not fight.
Uncle, me the cameraman, the cameraman. Me the cameraman.
One cameraman.
Yes. Sikano. Them the choir, yeah, unity. Also, I'm sorry.
Oh, my. We hear me, dear man.
Uncle, like how?
Oh, yeah.
Then we're supposed to share the money.
Supposed to share what?
Why?
You guys even have to compensate me for lying. You have to compensate me.
Anyways, I'm not here for you today. Uncle.
Yeah.
Passion me. They are told me a branch here out here. A branch here, I'm in the bay. Only me that we have introduction. Yes. And the same. On a branch here and medicine. Yes. We are in a relationship now and we are planning on getting married.
Christine.
Where are you going to?
Christine.
Hey! Well, let's forget about it. Yeah.
Because of maybe they see and buy. I was Casa, maybe man Casa here, maybe name Pachen. Nenye, Mr. Sosa, Mikasa, my non yoma, you come so, same. And the man, no was that.
Okay. Yes. One second. I was a semi-opera and we are clear. What? Yes. You say, maybe a year, men of the pair, them off. And then you should change around the way.
Edea, say, Topama, mentioned the other. It's our plenty in the mediated plan. Now, say, media, and Nick Robert. You only say, Mefroma. Now, one they say, yeah, to the young, let's say, the any offer, maybe my young, to the yes. Cram, catch him say, yeah, what I am with power. Yeah, renting. Power. Let me say, we can say the meditation. You from how far say, young members. So when we say sketchy, then I will go with you. Ha, and careful.
But Friday, I can make us say, may I go more money? Can't be
more than the overwalk at her. We make so you say, who are surprised, no,
oh, me into media. Radio station.
Okay, listen, the name of us for me. Something to go into this is the Five born in the I didn't go into the I did born in bed. Okay.
And price. Okay, but that's baby. That's